Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a closer look and try on the Ringke Onyx. So let's just take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Ringke Onyx protective phone case for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Android smartphone, and this one is in black. It's also produced in dark green and mint, and just taking a look at the details that's on the product packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the plastic packet and just setting the contents on the tabletop so you have that full and clear look of the Ringke Onyx before we take a much closer in look at its details. So we can see right here that there is a Ringke sticker . And we can set that to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop. And moving right along to the case itself, we can see that the case is black in color, and as I mentioned, it's also available in dark green and mint. And to give you some sense of the case's size, resting it in my palm or hand and gripping it lightly as well. So the maximum length here is 156.8 millimeters, and in terms of thickness or height, it is 12.1 millimeters thick or tall. So now taking a much closer in look at its details, you can see the matte details on the inside of the case. And there is the Ringke branding in a glossy finish towards the bottom and back of the case. It's right there, giving you a look at the details there, and it is made in Korea. And of course, taking a look at the outer edges or sides of the case, so we can see the cutouts along the bottom and sides of the case. So you can see the Ringke branding as well as a textured finish towards the inner side. So on the outer sides, they appear to be bumpered. As you can see, the corners do have a thicker or extended dimensions. And moving right along to the top, see a hole cut out there, and moving towards the other side, so once again we see that textured grip surface there on the side of the case. And towards the bottom we can see two holes with a bar there, so that is for attaching a lanyard or hand strap or strap of some sort. So giving you a look overall around the details of the case, and of course the back of the case itself, we can see the protrusion for the camera bar of the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So precise cutouts for the sensors, LED and lenses itself, and of course the texture of the case as well. So we can see this granulated texture, a grainy texture for grip, and we can see that it is non-marking as well in terms of fingerprint marks. It's right there, giving you, once again, an overall look at this Ringke Onyx case for the Google Pixel 10 Pro Android smartphone. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test it out or fit it on a Google Pixel 10 Pro, which I have right here in my right hand. So just giving you a look right there, side by side, the case and the phone. So you have some sense of what to expect. In terms of the overall details and fitment of this Ringke Onyx case with the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so let's go ahead and slide the top of the phone into the case. And right there we can see the fitment of the Ringke Onyx on this Google Pixel 10 Pro, and just making sure that we've pressed the phone fully into its case. So we can see on the edges as well the overall lip or bezel of the case sticking out beyond the surface of the screen. It's right there, giving you a look right round. And of course, the back of the phone with the camera bar and the cutouts for the sensors LED and lenses as well for the cameras or video camera. And of course, let's access the phone and try the buttons out to see the response right there. As you can see, buttons responding precisely with the button presses. And of course with the camera as well, making sure that there's no obstruction with the case. So nice and clear and perfect fitment of the Ringke Onyx on this Google Pixel 10 Pro. And of course, let's bring up the torch just to be sure. As you can see, working nicely with no obstruction. And of course, let's pop out the case. Or phone from the case, and of course give you a sense of this TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane construction. So flexible, yet sturdy in construction. And just tapping my finger on its body, and once again let's place the phone back into the case and give you that final look with the cutouts. And of course the fitment of the case, and right there you can hear the steadiness of this Ringke Onyx case. So that's the Ringke Onyx. Thanks for watching and happy protecting!